Logitech K400 Plus. Let's take a look inside. Opening up the box here, let's go ahead and see what it comes with. So this is a pretty nice spot for the USB receiver here. Let's put that off to the side. Have the information booklet here. And lastly, we have the keyboard. Let's take it out the plastic. Now we have the keyboard out the plastic here. Really love the nice color scheme here, the gray with the yellow. Have the trackpad here on the right hand side. Nice. Let's go ahead and flip this over. Let's remove this. So looks like it comes with 2 batteries. Yep, AA batteries right there. And is there any buttons on the side here to power this on? No, not there, not at the bottom, not at the other side. Oh, here it is at the back. So all you have to do is just switch this on once you have connected the USB receiver here to your PC or your tablet, laptop, anywhere, and then you should be good to go. So that is the quick unboxing. Again, it comes with the keyboard, comes with the USB-A receiver, and just a small information booklet here. And that's what it comes with.